In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use Alibaba as a dropshipping supplier for your Shopify dropshipping stores. So I'm going to show you how to connect Alibaba to your Shopify store, how to import products from Alibaba to your Shopify stores, and how to fulfill your orders using Alibaba. Now, why might you want to actually use Alibaba as a dropshipping supplier? Well, you might think that Alibaba is just for purchasing in bulk. A lot of the suppliers on Alibaba will ask you to purchase a minimum order quantity like 500 of a product and either ship it to your house or to your warehouse. However, there are a lot of products on Alibaba where you can just purchase one of the product and you can dropship them one at a time. And not a lot of people know this. And the reason why Alibaba is a great supplier for dropshipping is because they literally have tens of thousands of products on their platform. And you can find untapped products, you can find products that other people aren't selling, and it will just go and open up your variety of different products that you can potentially sell on your dropshipping stores. So if we just go over to the categories, you can see they have hundreds of different categories. And like I say, they have tens of thousands of products that you could potentially dropship, and you might not be able to find these on other supplier platforms like AliExpress. So in order to start dropshipping from Alibaba, we firstly need to connect our dropshipping store to our Alibaba account. And in order to do this, we are going to be using a software tool called AutoDS. Now, AutoDS is an all-in-one automated software tool for dropshippers. And like I say, we're going to be using it to connect our Alibaba.com account to our Shopify store. Now, if we have a look at the suppliers for AutoDS, we can scroll all the way down. You can see that you can connect multiple different suppliers to your Shopify stores using AutoDS. And one of these is Alibaba. So of course you can go and connect multiple other suppliers as well when you sign up for AutoDS. And AutoDS is super affordable. If we have a look at the Shopify plan, you can start for just $20 per month and you can import up to 200 products. So those could be 200 products from Alibaba like I'm going to show you in this tutorial, but also from other supplier platforms. So I will leave a link in the description to AutoDS and you can get a 30-day trial for just $1. So like I say, I'll leave a link in the description to that. So all you need to do from here is click on Get Started. Now I already have an AutoDS account, so I'm just going to click on Sign In. Once you have signed up for an AutoDS account, the first thing we are going to do is connect our Shopify store to our AutoDS account, and then we can connect our Alibaba product to AutoDS as well. So in order to do this, we are going to click on Add Store. We're going to click on Add Store again. We are going to choose Shopify Store, click on Continue. You will then be presented with three different options. I have a Shopify store, use AI to generate a Shopify store, or I don't. I want to create one myself. I already have a Shopify store, so I'm going to choose this and click on Continue. And then you will be brought over to Shopify. You will have to log into your Shopify store. And then from here, we can install the AutoDS Shopify app. So just click on Install and then click on Install again. Once you install the AutoDS Shopify app onto your Shopify store, you will then be brought back to your AutoDS account. So the next thing we are going to do is add Alibaba as a supplier to our AutoDS account before we import a product. So on the left hand side, we are going to scroll down and we are going to click on Settings. And under Settings, you are going to go to Supplier Settings, click on Add Supplier. And then from here, we are going to scroll down until we see Alibaba. Just choose this and click on Add Supplier. Once you have added Alibaba as a supplier to your AutoDS account, you can edit some of the settings. So firstly, we have the lister settings. So this is going to be when you list a product to your Shopify store from Alibaba, these are going to be the default settings. I recommend to leave most of these as the default. You can also go and turn on stock monitoring and price monitoring. So this means if the product goes out of stock, you won't be able to sell it on your Shopify store anymore. So that means you won't oversell the product. And price monitoring allows you to monitor the price of the Alibaba supplier's product. So if they increase the price, you can also increase the price on your Shopify store. Next up, we have pricing. So if we just click on pricing, from here, you can edit your profit settings. So when you're listing a product from Alibaba to your Shopify store, you can go and automate all of the profit settings. Now, don't worry too much about this. You can also go and edit these individually when you import a product, but this can just help you to speed up the process if you're importing a lot of products from Alibaba. Next up, we have orders. Now your order settings are super important because these are how you're going to fulfill orders from your Alibaba products that you list on your Shopify store. So you are going to want to have process orders using the fulfilled by AutoDS service turned on, and you're also going to want to turn on automatic orders. I will be showing you how you can fulfill the orders at the end of the video, but make sure that you tick both of these on so that you can automate the fulfillment process when you are fulfilling products from Alibaba. You can also override the customer's phone number. So if you tick this on, you can go and enter in your own phone number, and then the customer won't receive text messages from Alibaba with updates about their order. So I definitely recommend to do this. If we come over to general, you will see some general settings like the ship to country. Don't worry, if you choose ship to, for example, as the US, and then somebody from the UK orders from your store, you'll still be able to fulfill those orders. So this is totally fine. So you can just leave this as the default and click on save. Once you have saved that, we are going to head back to our AutoDS dashboard. So just click on the AutoDS logo. So now you are ready to import a product from Alibaba to your Shopify store. So you can just head over to alibaba.com and create an account. I'm not going to take you through that step because it is super simple. You just need to sign up with your email and choose a password. Once you have an Alibaba account created, from here you can start researching some products. So you can just go and type in a product that you're looking for, or you can go and upload an image of a product that you're looking for as well, and you can simply click on search. Now this is a super important step because now we're going to find suppliers that allow us to dropship products one by one. So on the left hand side on Alibaba, you are going to scroll down to where it says min order. So this is the minimum order, and we are just going to put in 1 and click on OK. So now we are going to see suppliers for the product that we searched for that will allow us to buy one of the product. Now you are really going to look for products that say Alibaba guaranteed, because these are going to be the most reliable dropshipping suppliers for the products that you want to dropship. So if we just scroll down, we can see these products here. We can see these socks. So I'm just going to click on this. Now, once you come over to the Alibaba product page for the product, you can now verify if this product can be dropshipped. And the way that you can verify this is if the product has an add to cart button and you can also see the shipping price. So on some Alibaba product listings, it will say request a quotation. So you won't be able to see the shipping rate or add the product to the cart. And for products that have variations, you also won't be able to select a variation. So for example, for this product, we can click on select now. I can choose the color and the size, and I can simply click on add to cart, and it will show me the price with the shipping price as well. So if you can't see the shipping price or it says request for quotation, that means that the product can't be dropshipped. So you are looking for products that have Alibaba guaranteed, allow you to add directly to the cart, and you can also see the shipping price for the products. So once you have verified that your product can be dropshipped by looking for these signs on the product page, you are simply going to copy the URL from Alibaba. We are going to head back to AutoDS, and from here we are going to click on add products, click on single product. We are going to paste in that Alibaba link. You should see the supplier source change to Alibaba, and then you are going to click on edit now. After a few minutes, you will see a draft of your product created within AutoDS. From here, you can edit the product before you import it to your Shopify store. So you can go and import the title. You can, of course, use AutoDS's AI tool to do this. So I'm just going to go and edit this title. We're just going to go for non-slip grip socks. I'm going to just go and put non-slip football grip socks for men. So we'll just get rid of this and this space here. You can go and add a collection. You can add tags. You can choose the shipping method. Again, I recommend to turn on stock monitoring and price monitoring. And you're definitely going to want to turn on auto order by AutoDS so you can fulfill all of your orders automatically when you get an order for one of your Alibaba products. You can go and edit the description. If we come over to variants, you can go and edit the variants for each product. So you can see we've got loads of variants for this particular product because they come in different sizes and in different colors. So you can go and edit each variant individually, or you can go and bulk edit the variants. So if we go and choose all of the variants here, I can click on the pencil icon, and from here I can go and bulk edit these variants. So for example, if I wanted to update the sell price for every single variant, I can just go and choose one sell price and click on update. And then all of these variants will be updated to sell for $9.99. So I recommend to go and do this if you have a lot of variants. If you only have one or two variants, you can go and edit them individually by clicking on the edit button on the side. So I'm just going to go and click on update. And once you have edited the variants, you can come over to images. You can select the images that you want to show on your Shopify store. So if you just click on this, it will select all of the images. You can obviously deselect any of the images that you don't want to use as well. Then you can come over to item specifications and you can go and edit or delete any of these item specifications. So for example, place of origin, we could go and get rid of this. Supply type, we could get rid of this. So you can go and edit or delete any of these. If you click on the pencil icon, it will allow you to edit them. And then you can just click on tick. So once you are happy with your product listing draft, you are now ready to import the product to your Shopify store. So all you need to do is click on save and import. After a few minutes, you will then see the product has finished importing. So now you'll see this within your AutoDS account. So now if you head over to your Shopify store, you can go over to your products and you should also see the product in your Shopify store. Now, if you do want to edit the product for any reason, for example, the title, the images, anything like that, you do need to do that from AutoDS. So don't edit the products directly from Shopify. If you do want to edit anything for the product, come back to AutoDS. You will see the product, so you can simply click on the product to edit it. So once again, from here, you can edit the title, description, images, variants, and all of that stuff, and it will go and update on your Shopify store. Now, last but not least, I want to show you how you can go and fulfill your orders. So when a customer places an order on Shopify for one of your products imported from Alibaba, you can just come back to AutoDS and click on orders. And once you click on orders, you will see all of the orders that are synced from your Shopify store. Now, in order to go and fulfill these Alibaba orders automatically using AutoDS, you need to top up two things. So firstly, you need to go and top up your AutoDS balance. So this is going to be the money that you use to actually pay for the orders on Alibaba. So for example, you can see here this product cost $5.69. So we need some money to actually pay for that. So you can come over to here where it says manage balance. You can click on load balance and you can simply upload a balance to your AutoDS account using debit or credit card. So you can choose $50 as a minimum all the way up to $1,000 and just click on add account. So once you have gone and uploaded your balance, you also need to make sure you have enough auto order credits. So the way AutoDS works is it uses 1 credit per order. So you can see I've already got 5 credits on this account. So you can always go and top up your AutoDS auto order credits as well. So if you just click on buy credits, you can see that you can purchase auto order credits in bulk. Of course, the more credits you order, the cheaper they get. So as long as you have auto order credits and you have a balance on your AutoDS account, you can automatically go and fulfill all of your Alibaba orders. So you will see the order status. Right now it says order in progress. Providing that you have enough auto order credits and enough balance, AutoDS will go and fulfill that order for you. And then once it has been shipped out, you will see that the order status updates to shipped. The shipping numbers will go and sync with your Shopify store and they will be sent out to your customers via email. And then of course, once the customer receives the product and the product has arrived at the customer's location, this will be updated to delivered. So everything is done completely automatically. You don't need to lift a finger. All you need to make sure is you have enough balance on your account and enough auto order credits to fulfill all of your orders from Alibaba. So that is how you can start using Alibaba as a dropshipping supplier for your Shopify dropshipping stores. Make sure to check out AutoDS using the link in the description. You can get a 30-day trial for just $1. If you have enjoyed the video, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more dropshipping and e-commerce content, and hopefully I'll see you in the next one.